Hello friends, welcome to the channel. If you are new to the channel, subscribe the channel for good content. Today we are going to discuss MCQ questions on cost accounting. I have made a series of around 100 MCQ questions to create 4 parts, each part consisting of 25 MCQ questions. Today I am coming with first part of MCQ on cost accounting, remaining 3 parts, that is 75 MCQ questions we will upload in remaining 3 videos. So therefore you have to attend all those 100 MCQ questions, that is beneficial for you. So let us start with MCQ question on cost accounting, first part. Question number 1. The main function of cost accounting is dash dash reporting. Option A internal, option B external, option C government, option D bank. The correct answer is internal. The main function of cost accounting is internal reporting. Cost accounting reports to the internal, that is management. It will not report to the external parties. Second question. The information provided by financial statement is dash dash in nature. A. Standard, B. Historical, C. Marginal, D. Uniform. The correct answer is historical. The information provided by financial statement is historical in nature. We are recording the transactions in financial accounting which are happened to the business. We are not taking into consideration the future transactions which are having their impact on the business. Question number 3. The principle of matching cost with revenue is known as dash dash principle. A. Cost, B. Matching, C. Consistency, D. Revenue. The correct answer is B. Matching concept. Question number 4. In cost accounting, stock is valued at A. Market price, B. Cost price, C. Selling price, D. Standard price. The correct answer is B. Cost price. In cost accounting, stock is valued at cost price, but in financial accounting, cost is valued at market price or cost price, whichever is lower. Question number 5. Cost according to ICMA England, the technique and process of ascertaining cost is called A. Costing, B. Cost accounting, C. Cost accountancy, D. Cost. The correct answer is A. Costing. According to ICMA England, the technique and process of ascertaining cost is called costing. Question number 6. Which among the following costs are not useful for managerial decision making? A. Sunk cost, B. Marginal cost, C. Standard cost, D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Sunk cost. Sunk cost is not helpful to the management for decision making, but marginal cost and standard costing are helpful to the management for decision making. Question number 7. The main objective of cost accounting is A. Recording of cost, B. Fixation of selling price, C. Cost control, D. Profit maximization. The correct answer is C. Cost control. The main objective of cost accounting is cost control. Question number 8. Dash dash is application of costing and cost accounting principles, methods and techniques to the art, science and practice of cost control and the ascertainment of profitability. A. Cost accounting, B. Cost accountancy, C. Cost control, D. Cost ascertainment. The correct answer is cost accountancy. Cost accountancy is application of costing and cost accounting principles, methods and technique to the art, science and practice of cost control and ascertainment of profitability. Question number 9. The installation of a dash dash system will create confidence in the minds of public about the fairness of the prices charged. A. Costing, B. Financial accounting, C. Management accounting, D. Information. The correct answer is A. Costing. The installation of costing system will create confidence in the minds of public about the fairness of the prices charged. Question number 10. The exact cause of increase or decrease in the profit or loss is disclosed by A. Management accounting system, B. Financial accounting system, C. Cost accounting system, D. Management information system. The correct answer is cost accounting system. Question number 11. Dash dash is location, person or an item of equipment or group of these for which the cost may be ascertained and used for the purpose of control. A. Cost center, B. Revenue center, C. Profit center, D. Responsibility center. The correct answer is cost center. Cost center is a location, person or an item of equipment or group of these for which cost may be ascertained and used for the purpose of control. Question number 12. Dash dash is a segment of activity of a business which is responsible for both revenue and expenses. A. Cost center, B. Revenue center, C. Profit center, D. Responsibility center. The correct answer is C. Profit center. Profit center is a segment of activity of a business which is responsible for both revenue and expenses. Question number 13. Data required for the fixation of selling price is provided by A. Management accounting system, B. Financial costing system, C. Cost accounting system, D. All the above. The correct answer is cost accounting system. Question number 14. Cost accounting has developed due to dash dash of financial accounting. A. Advantages, B. Limitations, C. Merits, D. Expansion. Obviously, the correct answer is B. Limitations. Cost accounting has developed due to the limitations of financial accounting. Question number 15. The amount of expenditure, actual or notional, incurred or attributable to a given thing is A. Expense, B. Revenue expenditure, C. Cost, D. Value. The correct answer is C. Cost. Question number 16. Cost accountancy is considered as a science because dash dash it has a systematic body of knowledge, B. It requires necessary ability and skill, C. It involves continuous efforts of the cost account, D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. It has systematic body of knowledge. Cost accounting is considered as science because it has a systematic body of knowledge. Question number 17. Dash dash is that portion of expired cost resulting from a productive usage of an asset. A. Cost, B. Expense, C. Loss, D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Expense. Question number 18. Expired cost is recorded in dash dash dash. A. Balance sheet, B. Profit and loss account, C. Cash flow statement, D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Profit and loss account. Question number 19. Dash dash is a measurement in money terms of the amount of resources used for some purpose. A. Cost, B. Revenue expenditure, C. Expense, D. Value. The correct answer is A. Cost. Question number 20. Cost accounting mainly helps the management in A. Earning profit, providing information to the management. C. Fixing prices of the products. D. All the above. The correct answer is B. Providing information to the management. The cost accounting mainly here, these all three are the purpose of the cost accounting, but the mainly cost accounting helps the management in providing information to the management. Based on that information, management has to take the decision. Question number 21. Cost accountancy is considered as an art because it has a systematic body of knowledge. B. It requires necessary ability and skills. C. It involves continuous efforts of cost accountant. D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. The cost accountancy is considered an art because it requires necessary ability and skills. Question number 22. Which of the following statements are not true regarding the cost accounting? A. Information obtained is used by management for decision making. B. Stock is valued at cost. C. Deals partly with facts and partly with estimates. D. Accounts are mandatory according to Companies Act and IT Act. The correct answer is D. Which of the following statements are not true regarding cost accounting? The answer is D. Accounts are mandatory according to Companies Act 1956 and IT Act. It is not true. Question number 23. Unexpired cost is recorded in A. Balance sheet. B. Profit and loss account. C. Cash flow statement. D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Balance sheet. Question number 24. Dash is that portion of expired cost resulting from the decline in the service potential of an asset that generated no benefit to the firm. A. Cost. B. Expense. C. Loss. D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Loss. Last question of part 1. Dash is small segment of activity or responsibility for which costs are accumulated. A. Cost center. B. Revenue center. C. Profit center. D. Responsibility center. The correct answer is A. Cost center. Cost center is a small segment of activity or responsibility for which costs are accumulated. Please subscribe the channel. Subscription is free. I have made a necessary MCQ playlist. Click the I button to see it. Thank you.